A blizzard is a combination of falling and or blowing snow plus sustained winds or frequent gusts of at least 35 miles an hour. Must lower the visibility 2¼ miles or less for at least 3 hours in a row.
Blizzards are formed by huge amounts of evaporated water from over the Gulf of Mexico into its circulation. Then it moved to the northeast and picked up more moisture, was forced to rise over a very cold air mass to the north. Bam! A blizzard was born.
Blizzards can occur in the polar regions and also in temperate areas affected by cold Arctic air.
Blizzards are measured in kilometers.
There are 3 systems: the emergency alert system that appears on TV, and National Weather Service, the state of emergency.
The biggest recorded blizzard was in North America, and it happened during the 1996.
During 1996.
This is how you stay safe from the blizzard. If you're inside, then stay inside. If you're outside trapped, stay in your car and don't wander away.
This is what you need in a disaster kit to prepare for a blizzard. This is what you need in a disaster kit to prepare for a blizzard: bottle of water, toilet paper, flashlight, radio, fire extinguisher, and a first aid kit.
Blizzards affect New Jersey because they take away land and damage houses and trees. Blizzards can cause a lot of damage.
News reporters show this chart on the news to show where the blizzard is going to hit.
Well, part of the problem is that you guys are sitting right next.
Blizzards can be very big.
Blizzards can cause lots of traffic.
Blizzards can cause car crashes.
This is a lady in the middle of a blizzard.